All right, with the release of the new Live Good questionnaire survey, man, how are you going to present it to people? How are you going to post it on Facebook or Instagram or maybe do a YouTube video like I'm doing now? All right. Uh, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do, and I think it's going to work because all you have to do is just kind of go, hey, check this out. Fill it out, free questionnaire. Hey, you're going to get some good advice from Dr. Ryan and get an opportunity to look at some really nice products that can hopefully help your situation of anxiety, diabetes, high blood pressure. You just want to get more rockin' hard body with muscle, or maybe you just want to lean out a little bit. I mean, everybody could use more energy, right? I know I could. And what do we usually do? Caffeine, drink about what, 2 to 3 gallons of coffee before noon. That's what I do. And then, have 200 or 300 mugs of coffee before bedtime. Okay, and I seem to have energy. But is it the healthy way? No. So let me show you, first of all, the brand new questionnaire that we have all been waiting months and months. And guess what? My gosh, it's in the fingers. That's it. All I got to do is just go like this, and it's going to appear on your screen, okay? So let's go over to my website at LiveGood, okay? Now, if you are in LiveGood, just log in and go right here where it says My Websites, okay? And if you're not in LiveGood, just follow along. You'll see how awesome this company is. For $49.95, guys, you got your full-blown website, capture page. You got everything you need to kick massive booty, okay? So go to My Websites, scroll down. You'll recognize the capture pages. Okay, this is a capture page. I've used this link to sign up almost 400 people. And of course, if you want to promote to Spanish speaking peeps, there's a good one right there. Look at that. Just copy this link. Okay. Now this is another video. I'll talk about the Spanish capture page, but look at, just scroll down and you're going to see right here, my free health report site. Okay. Survey, questionnaire, call it what you want. It is so cool. I've been messing around with it. So this is the link. If you're in LiveGood, you have your own username. Mine is Cory Draper. So you can see myfreehealthreport.com/Cory Draper. And there's a great little video here with Dr. Ryan, that handsome devil. You guys want to see it a little bit real quick? Okay, let's just click the link. I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like. All you got to do is press play to listen to Ryan talk and read a little bit about this and a little bit about that. Okay. Take the free questionnaire. You can click there. You can click there or right at the top. Okay, you can't miss these little buttons. Now click and check it out. I'll answer like 3 or 4 just live on my video. What's your immediate health goal? Okay, I think I'd like some more muscle. I weigh about 215 right now. I wouldn't mind weighing 225. Okay, so build lean muscle. I think I'm a male because I was born with a Wang Chung. That's right, kids. So I'm going to click male. What's my age? Well, unfortunately, I'm almost 60, but I'm still in my 50s. All right, high 50s, so I'm going to hit 50. Okay, I'm about 6'2", unless I dress in drag, and then I'm 6'9". Okay. How much do I weigh? I weigh about 215 to 220, so I'll just put how about 217? Because I fluctuate. That's right. How active are you? I'm just moderate. I'm not lazy, but I'm not kicking ass and taking names, but I'm about moderate. How many hours per week do you exercise? Let's see, 1 minute. Okay. But just fill this out. How hard do you work out? Guys, I just do light workouts. I don't do moderate or even push my limits. I just do light weights, high repetition to kind of keep a little ripped, if that's possible. But go ahead and fill out the rest of this survey. Then when you're done, go to your email. And it completely gives you just a beautiful explanation of so many categories of what you just filled out. High blood pressure, diabetes. Okay. Why are you feeling tired? Okay. Do you need to do this in order to get that? It's all based upon what you answered. Okay. Do you vape? Do you feel like you're out of breath? Okay. I do sometimes when I'm just climbing stairs. It's not that I'm running, but at my age, I got to be the first to admit, when I walk upstairs, I feel a little winded. And I know that has to do with a bad cardio and just being older, of course. But I love to work out. I just don't work out like a madman. I do love to stretch. I stretch more than work out because I want to be limber so I can do this, do some break dancing. Okay. Do the electric boogaloo with an AC/DC shirt on and a pink Chevy hat. Although it looks kind of drowned out, I guess, with my light on. But the questionnaire, it is brand new. And if you want to go ahead and post it on Facebook, similar to what I do, maybe you'll get some results. I really don't know yet because this just came out. But let me show you how I'm going to present it to everybody. Okay, this is my Facebook page live. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scroll. Okay, this is a video, and that's what you're watching right now. So what I did is I took the video from my YouTube channel link, and I just posted it, and this is the thumbnail that popped up. I just built this thumbnail real quick. I don't put a lot of time and energy in my thumbnails, obviously. I just put real short and simple stuff, okay? Now, let's just hit the See More button right here. This is what I'm doing just right now in the beginning. Live Good 2025, joincory.com. Now, when people click this, it goes right to the capture page where they can sign up to be members or affiliates of Live Good. Unlock your personalized health assessment. It's free. Fill out the questionnaire. Well, guess what? When they click that link, it goes right to the questionnaire. Time to change your life. Discover exactly what your body needs with a quick and easy health assessment. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you today. Official Live Good questionnaire. Just find out about your overall well-being, heart, body, mental health, energy. Improve your life. And all you got to do is just click. Okay, guys? So this is an example of how I'm going to just make a post on Facebook. I'll do something similar on a TikTok or an Instagram. Maybe I'll do Threads, Twitter. I know it's called X, but I still call it Twitter. All right? And I'm going to send emails similar, just a little chit chat about this and that. And where I get my information about the questionnaire is just go to the questionnaire. Okay? Just read along and see what they talk about. Okay? Well, talk about energy levels and a bunch of other cool stuff. But another nice thing too is just click the link and see the very first homepage of the questionnaire right here. Put that on your Facebook page just to get the ball rolling. Let people read a little bit about it. And then you can always get information here as well. But just get really good at putting the link to the questionnaire on any of your social media posts. Okay? Or emails. Or right now, if I just say, guys, please go to solveproblemnow.com. I bought that domain for like 10, 11 bucks. I told GoDaddy, forward it to the link to the questionnaire, and I'm done. So joincory.com if you want to join me in Live Good and be a member or an affiliate. And if you want to take the questionnaire, instead of me going www.freehealthreport.com/Cory Draper, that looks awful. If I put it on a business card, there's no way. But solve problem now. joincory.com. Please watch video. Everything I do is simple, fun little domains. And then I forward to little videos, short little videos about the opportunity to join Live Good, what the products are. And now with the survey, people kind of like to have a nice free survey be analyzed by a professional badass company like Live Good, and then have Dr. Ryan give a free assessment as well. You can sit back and go, you know, that makes sense. I do need more protein. I feel tired and skinny and weak and feeble. Okay, or maybe I want to see if I can do something about my diabetes or high blood pressure. Super Reds. I got it right on my fridge. Maybe you can see me pointing right there in the middle. That's the middle jar. Super Greens I recommend, and amino acid fruit punch. They're all awesome. They give me energy, and they do make a difference. Otherwise, I wouldn't buy them. I don't have to fake it to make it. I don't blow smoke up anyone's butt. Okay? But check the survey out. Fill it out yourself. Read it. You're going to get a nice little email, and it's going to size you up real nicely. Then go ahead and offer it. Okay? Instead of going to the capture pages directly of Live Good where it's like, join now. Everyone's like, join what? Sometimes people just want to know, well, let's slow down. I want to take this survey, see what the hell's going on with this old body of mine. And then fill out the forms by clicking. It's easy. It's fun, actually. Takes about, I don't know, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. You can haul ass. I was just going slow for my video here so you can see what it looks like. But actually read the email that gets sent to you. It does make a difference, guys. Do something about your weight, your diabetes, your energy. Okay, maybe you do need more protein and you need to bulk up, not get some fat, zapped off your ass. Okay, but anyway, I'm excited. Questionnaire, survey, whatever you want to call it, it's finally out, and now you can use that as a tool to hopefully get people in your business. There ain't nothing wrong with that, folks. Okay, so boom, solveproblemnow.com. You're going to hear me say that a lot because I want people to fill out that survey and really look into their health. Okay, I love to make money. I'm glad you're an affiliate. And if you're in my downline, if you're working hard, awesome. But you know what? I really do want you to fill out that survey. And I want you to buy Live Good products. And I don't profit. We don't profit off the products. We're a membership-based website. I just think that you should look into Live Good products that are on my fridge here. And you know what? If you don't like them, you got 3 months, 90 days. Here, let me go. 9, 0. Okay. I can't do it. I don't even know sign language. I just got to go like 10 minus 1 is 9 and then 0. Okay. You got 90 days. Check out. See all that stuff on my fridge? I can buy that and forget I even bought it for 2.5 months. And let's say I just want my money back because I'm broke. I just send those back to Jupiter, Florida, and I get a full refund on those 3 or 4 products that you can see right there. The Orgasmic Coffee, looks like Super Red, Super Greens, and Amino Acid Fruit Punch. All right. I'm a big fan of this company. Thank you. If you need something, let me know. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Get a hold of me through Facebook in the inbox. And I'll end the video. Thanks for the last 13 minutes of your time, guys. Okay. Take care. Survey's cool. You're going to dig it. Bye.